Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can prevent Windows 11 from going to sleep. It is set to do that automatically, as you can see. Maybe you want to play music or do some activity and the sleep is stopping it. We'll see how it's done and we'll also touch on some advanced power settings. First, I want to show you how to get here. I'm going to close this window, left click in the search bar and type Edit Power. And you will see the Edit Power Plan icon appear under Best Match. Left click to open it. And we are back in the same screen. Here you see something like a small table. It tells you when to turn off the display and when to put the computer to sleep in two scenarios, when you're on battery or when plugged in. So you can left click on this button and from the drop down select the option that suits your needs. You can also set it to never go to sleep, for example when you're on battery, or maybe you want a longer time or something reasonable like maybe 2 hours. And it's the same for when the laptop is plugged in. Now it depends on you and your needs to choose a wise solution. So you would save some battery and some power actually, and also do the activity that you need to do. Like I promised, there's also an advanced power settings window. If you left click on this link, it will open it. Here you have a lot of options. Maybe the most important one is when to turn off your hard drive, and it's the same when on battery and when plugged in. If this is slowing down your work or preventing it, you can change this setting as well. There are other settings over here, but you don't normally use them. There is an example, something for JavaScript, but I don't think it's used very much anymore. You can also choose when the slideshow on your desktop is paused. It's by default automatically paused when on battery, but you can make it available from this window. And there are a lot other options as well. Lastly, I want to mention the battery over here. What you can do when you're on low battery level, you can select an action from the low battery action button over here. If you left click on the little plus sign, it will drop down and you can choose what action you want to do when you're on low battery and if you're on battery or if you're plugged in. For example, if you run low on battery, you could put your computer to sleep, to shut down, or hibernate if this is something you need. Okay guys, this is in short in regards to power options. I hope you can solve your issues now and choose a wise balance between putting your computer to sleep and keeping it awake. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.